Okay, I guess the recording has started. Yeah, I just hope it's not lagging. Right. And let's address the issue or like why I have not made video. It's Monday, of course. Yeah, it's Monday now. Okay, it's Tuesday. I'm sorry. See, I have some like college issues and some issues related to my home, so I have not been able to make. See, this is and like an approach for me to say like I am not um, um, a person that forgets. I do forget, and I love watching sports, so I skip skip thing, right? So yeah, for me addressing people is like after doing bad things is like not my thing, right? So I will like focus on the day which I have told people. Saturday I will make videos and I upload videos, right? Okay. So let's first talk about the market, right? DXY USD is like you all know crossed the 100 psychological level. Now heading towards the resistance of 94 and 95. I do see it breaking that level, right? I do see it. See, many people can say that Trump can randomly randomly expel the Fed, right? The chairman Powell, and the market will blast down, right? It can happen, but I don't see it happening. So I will be positive and say the market will bounce back. But as you all know, the market situation, and I will like talk about the weekly time frame today. Yeah, the down Kumo and these lines, it is it isn't showing a good sign, right? So you should be all looking to maintain a process and follow and execute that, right? Just make a plan, make a process, and then try to execute day in day out, right? Just don't overtrade, don't get too excited, don't get too hyped by the byproduct, right? The price is the byproduct and the time is really that matters the most. The time is the only thing which is not like definite, which is not relative, right? Everything else can be related to anything, right? Euro is related to USD, USD related to Euro. I'm not getting into that stuff. Okay, yeah, let's talk about weekly time frame. First talk about Euro USD. See, I have added more, so I will take my time today because many of the videos which I have previously covered are short, right? So I'm I'm completely owning that. See, it is get resisted by this the resistance from the 20 31st January 2022, right? After three years it is like touching that. See, most probably if the market is going up like this and the euro, you can see the rate cut in the euro, then most likely it will reach here, right? I have ascended this line through this Chico span, and you can to do this. It is easy. See, you can, if you want to see on the daily time frame, it is looking very good, right? What you can see is the Kumo going up. Both the Kumo has slightly moving up. So what is showing you is that the market is in a great position in the daily time frame, right? And it has given more than 1000 pips, right? 1200 pips. So it is if you are trading 0.01, then it is 1000, right? So it's never too late, never too early in the market. You just have to be uh, backing yourself and trusting your process and just executing. Execution is the key. Okay, we will talk about only flag symbols, right? Okay, so in the weekly time frame it is just closing the 1.600 psychological level. Okay, so I'm seeing it taking this week or the next week. but it is 100% touching that, right? After that, if you can see the Kumo is growing up casually, so it can go up, right? Pound USD, it has touched its previous peak, which was attained on 23rd September 2024, and now it's heading for this 7th March 2022 levels, right? If you can see on Chico span, there are more than three, so it is more likely to go to this level, right? And then if it more continues, then it can attain its 2021 peak, which is similar to 2018, right? You can easily see it going up and down and forming a continuous range, but it is now breaking out of the range. If you can see the daily, same Kumo is very healthy, looking better than Euro USD. The lines, it is known as the Ninja Senko span. I don't know this, if the lines are too close, then it may go up very fast, right? Okay, and it also shows oversold, overbought in here, sorry. Okay, the Kumo has turned green in the weekly time frame too, so very likely that it will go to this level. Okay, then we will talk about the USD JPY. Okay, dollar yen, same, it is going up down to the to this range, to particular a level, right? First going up from 140 to 160, then coming back to 140, and then going to 158, and then coming back to 140. Okay, let's see, there are two situations. If we assume, firstly, we can't assume anything in this market. Okay, let's talk about the things we can see. Is the Kumo downsizing, uh, coming from green to red, but it is like a range Kumo right now. If it forms thick, then we can say it's downtrend, but for me it's like a downtrend now. Okay, because the lines are also coming off the Kumo. The time it's break this type of resistance from here, then these two lines will be down and the downtrend will be very much more strong, right? Okay, see, there is a huge gap, a huge rally it can do downsize. So I think it's a great opportunity. If you are looking for a long term perspective, then it will be a good pair, right? See, a huge downside movement can be like on par in this 2025, right? Or early 2026. Okay, October, November till. You can see the Kumo is in future. We are in 21st April, today 22nd April, and the Kumo is showing of 13th October is in, right? So you should have understand that the Kumo Chico span is like very much important. Okay, I will show you one Chico span ichimoku technique. You see the market was in range. The market touches the price and then go down, right? The market and the price, the Chico span and the price is in touch, contact. First it breaks, then it goes up. You see, the Chico span has a very relevant, like very important for this issue. Is the only thing I can say. Okay, now let's see the USD. It has formed a pin bar in the previous week, and in this week it has also formed a top pin bar. So I can't say much thing about this market, so I'll leave on your perspective what you want to see. Right, I have drawn my levels, my resistance, but I am not trading this. USD CHF broken out of range and going down to some other resistance. Right? It is also a big downside market. If you clearly see, it is better than that USD JPY, because the prices, the lines are out. The Kumo, you see, and the Kumo, the Chico span, and the lines. Okay, so these are very good. AUD JPY is also really good. You see, and it will come down to this, and then the previous resistance. So this is how you are likely to do things, right? 100 USD range. Okay, okay. The target is hit, guys. Right. I like to congratulate myself because I'm now like, I don't know if I have said in the December 2025 video is the level is 3000 and the level is 3500 and the both targets have been hit. So what is my next target? I don't know because I can't say anything. I have never seen a ichimoku cloud like this, right? So we will see, right? We will see. But it is a very good market if you want to trade in weekly time frame. Then you can. Oil is range, but bearish trend continues in long term. Weekly Kumo is turning bearish. Still, let's see if the Kumo gets broken or the price get bounced. Right. Bitcoin, I have, you can see a very good buy signal right here. Very good. It is going up after that. Right. So I want a price breakout of this level 90,000. Then I will took a more good buy. Cat JPY same. A great. Como growing thick, healthy downtrend continuing and previous resistance breaking. If we now wait and if we see another resistance break, right? Downtrend continuing, it is downtrending from the first hit, just because if you know Swiss franc is very like a good pair. Okay, it is going down. My fact is was like it will broke, but it is not broken, and it is going down, right? Okay, my bad. So it is going down. Alright, but if you can see these lines are here and the Como is in still in range, so we can expect that they can go up. But if you see the daily time frame, yeah, you can expect it to go up tomorrow. So yeah, I think this is the video, right? 12 or 13 minutes. I hope you are uh, trading with a good corpus, trading with a like a good risk management, with good positional sizing and with a good mindset, right? That's the main issue with lot of traders that I know, that they are mostly targeting the byproduct and not targeting the what's beside them, what's with what's they are seeing, what's the process, what's the emotion, what's the like the major things, right? You can see the 21 forex pairs and these three commodities which I have, right? Okay, I see this is the video. Thank you all.